Good day, welcome to Amazinng Design and the continuation of Amazinng Duplex that we're working on. So in this particular project, we want to work on how to tidy up the project and arrange them for use, even though when the 3D aspects is remain like this. So what do? In that we have already designed in the beginning. This is the floor plan and every other thing that you need to know. Check all the playlists and check out the way we have already come up with just this level, so you'll be able to understand in more details how far we have been going and whatever we have already rendered to get to this point. So let's move on to this. So I want to remove all this transparency background. I'm starting from here for now. So go to, if you are the one that don't know how to remove that, so go to, first thing you need to do is to go to your underlay. So in the underlay, just click on none. So every aspect of them will be disappear. So you can hide this section as well by clicking on this and say hide the elements. So this one can be hidden as well because you don't need it at this level. So hide the elements as well. So you have this. So you tidy up this place by putting on this project crop region. So by the crop region, you crop all your profile, cut it off from this, and then you have a stable view composition. So click that and zoom in. So there's nothing more, or you can click on this and say zoom to fit. So this is no more. So you can off this. So you have your roof in a place. So the next one is your. So while having all this one as a background, click there and say underlay. So you don't want to see that again. Select all this one and say hide this, or this element is being hidden. So like this, you break this one into two. You don't need to hide this, so you just spread this and again do this one. So you can toggle off this one so that it gives you the similarity of this in place. So what else you need to do is to now develop this whole area. So let's use annotation to do that. I'm not going to be using the detailing aspect. So this is what a closet. So you do that by drawing this. So offsets this one in by 50. So type on 50. So you offset this and offset this, so the graphics part is coming up. So what you do next is to bring this your component to the bathroom into limelight. So click there and select whatsoever that is needed and placeable. So what you need here is first your sewer. So you're going to repeat this one and put it somewhere here. So let's sewer be here. So the next one is your WC. So you search for that and you bring it here so that you'll be staying, that is somewhere here. So washing basin again is another component that you need to have, so you drag that. So every other component you feel that is okay for you, now you can decide to bring the baths into this place. So it's optional. This is a master bedroom, so you have a lot of options, things to do for you. So you align that one and align it to the wall. So the next thing is your go to architecture, then so you pick your wash yarn basin and put it around this window side. So that will be the points. So this is what you have in the arrangement for now. So what you need to do in here is click on component and bring a little bit of small armchair into this space. So you render that by just placing it here. So you can have it here like this. So then again, other components you need to do, like bookshelf, can stay here as well. So click on this and you arrange it to be staying here. If you're somebody who does just like reading, so you can put your TV set around this corner. So by clicking on, so I'm just going to do what, annotate that aspect for you. So do here and say TV set. So it's mounted to the wall. Sorry. So it mounts to the wall. Depends on how big the size of the TV is. So if you're having something like 80 inches or for 65 inches, so you have them in bigger level like this. So this is it. So you can bring a table, a center table towards it, create similar. So it's just like a graphics package. So you set that at the front of this. So this is where you're going to put all your books and whatever is needed to have. So that is what you do here, and you set it up for the journey. So that is it. So you have this in place and everything is in order. Okay, that's what you do at this level, and that is what you continue to focus your attention on for this moment on. So the next thing I need to work on is other area of emphasis. So click on this and then click on this and say copy. So you copy this and bring them here. So from there, what you need to do is to click on this to move you up to this level. Select, let it rotate. So align it to the upper part. So this one again, no, sorry, this will be aligned to the window side. So you move it down, while this one you rotate it, select, yes, you move there. So this one should come down. So you can decide to rotate this, depending on your choice. So align this to these points, then you move this here. So you move them according to the range of what you are doing. Good. So this one you select and move, let it come and align itself here. So from there you'll be able to adjust the door. So you are done with this in this position. So the next thing is that you change the window. You do have the window toilet or something else that needed to be, so you use your style and reduce the size. So that is what you do here, and that is what you are going to work on in to the details. So components again, select this and then you bring all this Cosmos chair into this space. So how do you do that? Select this one, the small sofa, so put it at this level. So the same thing and here. Good. So what you do here, annotate so that everybody will know it inside. So you just call this one a gaming area. So that's for you. So the bedroom. Good. Another bedroom, then you call this one master room. So that is it. So most of these are the details of what you need to work on. So you can change your font anytime, any day. So select that and say font, and I don't want that. So I'm using what is common that I use. So techniques used to be what I use most. So I'm going to use techniques and it's going to be there for me. So I've changed this one into area I want it to be. So this kind of text you try to search for that and install it on your system if you don't have something like that. So that is it. So you go back at this one now, you add this from view, add the element. So go to level 1 and see all through to what we have done. So this one, reduce the size until, so let it be like this. So this is the entrance to what we are need to do. So you can decide, because you can decide to change these parts. Good. So that is it. So the battery having issue, I'm going to continue in the next project. So you emphasize and basically meet in the next tutorial for that region to be completed. So